Looking for ways to save money on electricity? These amazing electrical inventions will blow your mind. Don't worry about rising electricity bills. We have the perfect solution for you. Our Sandbank solar water heater is an environmentally friendly option that'll help you save money. According to the manufacturers of Sandbank Solar, the price of natural gas has increased significantly in the last year, 115% to be exact. But with our water heater, you can say goodbye to those excessive costs. Sandbank Solar is 6 times more efficient than similar solar panel systems. This is due to its glass vacuum tubes with selective coating. Not only will you benefit financially, but you'll also be doing your part for the planet. Best of all, the price of our 300-liter water heater is only $4,000. A worthwhile investment that will allow you to enjoy hot water without worry. Ready to check out more revolutionary inventions you need to see? Now let's talk about one of the most economical geothermal heating and cooling systems in the world. Simply put, it uses the Earth's energy to regulate the ambient temperature. The design of this system is simple and includes a pump and pipes through which the heat transfer fluid circulates. This makes it not only easy to install, but also very efficient. For example, compared to gas heating, geothermal heating can save homeowners approximately $1,000 per year. In addition, this type of heating does not produce flames, smoke, or hazardous substances such as nitrogen dioxide. This system is individually priced for each customer at a cost of approximately $2,000. How about one of the world's most popular electrical inventions? These geothermal electric generators have been ingeniously designed to meet the needs of those who have wood and gas stoves, among other heat sources. Their operation is based on the Seebeck effect, a fundamental principle of thermoelectric generation that converts the heat energy generated by fuel combustion into usable electricity. A prime example is the standard model designed specifically for wood-burning stoves, which offers an impressive 100 watts of power. Ease of installation is one of the key features of these generators. Their compact design and weight of only 8 kilograms makes installation a simple and accessible process for any user. These features not only ensure seamless integration with a variety of heating systems, but also provide the versatility to adapt to different home environments. Moreover, the efficiency in converting heat into electricity positions these generators as an effective and practical solution to meet the energy needs of modern homes with diversified heating systems. Speaking of compact size, how about a thermoelectric generator that fits in your pocket and runs on the heat from your hands? If that's not practical for you, the built-in magnet allows you to mount the generator under the hood of your car, for example. The energy generated is stored in a battery. In addition, the generator's intelligent components control the output voltage, which can be up to 1.2 volts. You know what else can save you energy? Silence. So why don't we move on to the next invention? According to the United Nations, one of the major environmental problems in today's cities is noise, which causes around 50,000 new cases of heart disease each year in Europe. Therefore, it's crucial to promote initiatives for quieter cities. One practical solution is the use of cube covers that, when placed on heat pumps or air conditioners, reduce noise levels by 9 to 15 decibels. In addition to reducing annoying noise, these covers also protect your air conditioners from vandalism and inclement weather. If you're interested, you can purchase a cube cover for as little as $3,000. If your water bill is the biggest problem in your home, you can't afford to miss this invention. The amazing creators of Rainy have come up with an amazing idea to help us save water: rainwater harvesting. Did you know that we can collect and filter rainwater to meet about 32% of an average household's water needs? That's impressive. With an average annual rainfall of 800 millimeters, we can collect up to 2 million liters of water from a 250 square meter roof. Incredible, right? In addition, this technique has many benefits, such as reducing pressure on wells and water pumping systems. Best of all, Rainy's purification process is so effective that the filtered water is potable. Wow, no wonder Rainy systems have been shipped to 21 countries. It's time to introduce you to the latest invention that'll turn your home into a powerful energy efficiency machine. The ingenious creators of the solar carport know that their customers aren't just buying a simple shed, they're making a real investment. And why is that? because each solar carport comes equipped with powerful solar panels that generate 200 watts of electricity. This means that a typical two-car carport can produce approximately 5,000 kilowatt hours per year. That's enough to drive an electric car 25,000 kilometers. Of course, in addition to being a sustainable energy source, our carport also protects you from sun, rain, snow, and even hail. It's the perfect place to shelter your cars, but it doesn't stop there. If you generate more energy than you use, you can sell the surplus to interested buyers and make some extra money. Isn't that great? So now you know, if you're looking for a smart way to save energy and add value to your home, solar carport is the perfect choice. Turn your home into an energy-efficient place and make the most of the power of the sun. Didn't you know that you can cut your annual expenses in half just by taking a shower? With the incredible Eco Drain system, you can install it in the drain pipe and use up to 45% of the heat from the hot water that goes down the drain. This heat is used to heat the water that goes to the water heater, which means you can save money on your water bills. You won't believe it. Best of all, the Eco Drain system, patented under the name ICOD Drain, pays for itself in just a few years. Plus, it's easy to install, either vertically or horizontally. There's no excuse not to take advantage of this opportunity. If you're interested in purchasing this system, we recommend you don't rush it. According to the official website, sales will resume in April 2024. So stay tuned and get ready to start saving smart. You won't regret it. Speaking of ways to protect our planet and create eco-friendly inventions, have you ever heard of getting water directly from the air? It's a fantastic idea. According to the World Health Organization and UNICEF, more than 2.2 billion people around the world lack access to clean drinking water. Fortunately, there are inventions like Source that provide us with a great solution. Source is a self-contained panel that can generate water directly from the air. It has built-in fans that draw in air, which then passes through a special material. This material captures and humidifies the water vapor, and the resulting liquid is collected, purified, and enriched with minerals. In addition, Source is powered by its own solar energy, making it completely sustainable. Source's creators claim that the system can supply water to entire communities, as a single panel can produce approximately 5 liters of water per day. Best of all, it costs $2,000 per panel, a worthwhile investment. According to the latest statistics, a staggering 16% of the world's workforce enjoys the convenience of working from home full-time. If you're in that lucky position, then you're going to love learning all about the incredible Blip One power supply. The highlight of this power supply is its incredible 2.2 kilowatt-hour capacity. What exactly does that mean? Well, a fully charged Blip One can keep your fridge running for an incredible 2 days. Imagine not having to worry about your food going bad during a power outage. But that's not all. The Blip One power source also has a really cool feature. It charges during the hours when electricity is cheapest and powers your appliances when electricity is most expensive. The result? You can save money on your power bills. For those who cannot or do not want to install solar panels on their roof, SolarGap's smart solar shades are a great alternative. They produce up to 150 watts per square meter of window, enough to power 30 LED bulbs, and in some cases, reduce electricity bills by up to 70%. These shades offer an added benefit of reducing air conditioning costs. You can control SolarGaps with voice commands using a smartphone or through smart systems such as Google Home. Blinds that cover approximately 1 square foot cost $180. Now let's travel to the other side of the world, to the Middle East, to see this incredible invention that will make your head explode. Some people see household waste as a problem, while others see it as a potential source of income. Why not extract something valuable from our waste? The Israeli team at Home Biagas offers a system that does just that. It's an inflatable tank that you fill with your garbage to produce gas and liquid fertilizer. The system also keeps insects away and prevents bad odors. The basic Home Biagas model can process up to 6 gallons of waste per day, producing enough gas for 2 hours of cooking per day and dozens of gallons of fertilizer per month. This model is available for $975. And now, what have we been waiting for? Today's last invention, the one that'll help you save energy and lose weight? Let's see it. Although 2023 is not over yet, this marvel of engineering called Wren will not be surpassed. When you ride it, you not only exercise, you generate electricity. Just pedal at your usual pace and charge the Ren's built-in 98.4 watt-hour battery. The double-sided pedals allow you to use regular or cycling shoes. You can shift gears manually or digitally. Inside the Ren is a personal trainer controlled by artificial intelligence algorithms. Since the power bank is detachable, you can take it with you to the office, saving you and your coworkers a lot of time, since you can connect up to 5 devices to the power bank at the same time. What do you think of these energy-saving inventions?